Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. Okay, I believe you have a great day. I believe you are having a great day and you're making the market. Okay, because that's our job, to make the market and all that. Please, thank you so much for being here with us. And if you have been here since the first day with this channel is created, I appreciate you so much. All right, and please, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe to this channel right now and click on the bell beside and you get notified once a new video is uploaded. All right, today we are discussing a great strategy. I call it the magic of the Ichimoku. All right, Ichimoku is a great indicator, is a great indicator that is secret we are yet to unveil. But today I'm going to share you some of the tips on how to use the Ichimoku Hydro on a mobile phone to trade. If you're on a PC, you will see Ichimoku Cloud. All right, but here on a mobile phone, it is called Ichimoku Hydro. Now this is it. Now before we get started to the before we get to the point, I have an offer to give to you guys. I have seen many messages, many chats that they want to get indicator and all that and all that and all that. So as I want to reduce the prices for you again for those that are going to take action in the next 24 hours. All right. Now this is the thing I'm going to give you. I'm not on my PC, so let me use a screenshot. Okay. Now this is it. This indicator, I'm going to give it to you. You could see it has entry of the green is the entry, and you see entry point here. You see the red arrow to exit, another entry point arrow to exit. Okay, this is actually a good indicator, that you can use to trade the market, to scout the market and make your profit. Okay, now this is another indicator. This is the Kaza indicator, the okay, and it's not just the ordinary one, it is the premium version of the Kaza indicator. You could see the entries here. It look like the other one, but it's not actually the same. Okay, this is, you see the entry for the for the sell. This is about 500. You see the entry for the sell. The red is covering here, and the green also is going to red, and you can enter your market and scalp the market. Also, there is something in that window that shows you a arrow to sell and arrow to buy. Okay, so it is a Kaza indicator. It works very good in scalping. All right, if you can be patient enough to wait for signal to come, you will not lose your money. You will not lose your money in this indicator. I tell you the truth. Okay, now the last one is our special indicator, guys. Someone make some noise. These are special indicator, guys, and it's actually costly. You know how it is, but because of this kind of promo I'm going to do, this is the end of the year. I'm going to give it to you guys as a free. You could see the entry points here, the arrow, the green pop-up here has shown us. Although this one is not a complete one, there's also a curve that used to go around it. All right, the curve is also showing, is also a confirmed long trade. Okay, but now this one. Okay, if you want to get this one right now, this one costs more than $200. I tell you the truth, but I will give it to you. If you want to get it today in the next 24 hours, you will get it for $20 only $20, and you have it. Now for this particular one, is the one, if this one, if you want to get it today in the next 24 hours, you get it for $10. And the last one, but not the least one, if you want to get this one too in the next 24 hours, you can get it for $10 as well. Now they all is now $40. But if you want to get the three of them at once right now in the next 24 hours, you're just going to pay $30 and you have access to three of them. All right, this is just a promo price for the next 24 hours for those that are interested. Those that are interested. Okay, now if you don't have it, it doesn't mean you will not make money. Just to help you and to guide you to trade successfully. All right, if you are a scalper, actually, if you're also a swinger, you can use this the special indicator or the belly system that I'm going to give to you. All right, and anyone you get, if you get any of this indicator also from me to the next 24 hours, I'm also going to give you another crazy bonus, that our famous FX bull, that is the channel indicator. I don't have the shot right here because I'm not my PC. My PC is down now. All right, okay, now let's go to the business of today. So if anyone that you want to buy, please, I will leave a link to this video description. You can check my link on the description, and you click on it, or you come to my Telegram DM, and you tell me what the one you want to get, and you get it. Very simple and easy. All right, now let's go to our business today. Yes, I told you guys today we are going to discuss about the magic or the secret behind the Ichimoku. All right, now how do we do that? You could see something is happening right here. Okay, now before I continue in the explanation, let us go to the settings and see how to set it. Okay, let's go to settings and see how to set it. Okay, now this is the settings, guys. You go to the F button. The main chart here will have the Ichimoku. You can click on the F button right here to get the Ichimoku. And this is the settings. We have the Tinku Sen is 9, Kenju Sen is 9, Senku Span B is 52. Then fill, how to activate the fill option. All right, on the styles, we have every other things here to be on the background color except the up kumo and the down kumo, which is green and red, as you see right here. All right, now you click on done if you have said that, and the next thing here, the window indicator one is our famous indicator we did our last two indicators we did last time. Okay, this is the stochastic oscillator. The stochastic oscillator will have the period is 1, K period is 1, D is 1, slowing is 1, price feed is low high, method is simple, and the styles are just the background color. All right, and the levels here, you see my levels. I choose the 20, 80, and 50. Level of 20 is your buy option. Okay, level of 50 is your take profit. All right, or wait, then 80 is your selling option. Okay, and you click on done, and the next one right here will have the moving average. First one we have on average 20, shift is 0, method is linear weight, apply to close, and the pixel I choose blue. You can choose any color that suits you. All right, now the next one here is another moving average 12, shift is 0, linear weight, close. I choose color red. You can choose any color of your choice as well, and once you do that, you are good to go. And this is our setup. This is our setup, guys. This is our setup. Now, how do we use this setup? How do we use this setup? How do we use this setup? First of all, what is the zoom level of this strategy? Okay, here is the lowest zoom level. Now you zoom it out just once. Zoom out once like this, and this is where we go. You go like this. At least you are seeing the candles. Right? How do we take trade? First of all, to take your trade, you might like to check the higher time frame to see if it's on the uptrend or a downtrend. All right, you might have to check the 5 minutes, the 1 hour, the 30 minutes, and check for whether it's an uptrend. As we see here, it's an uptrend already, an uptrend, but we don't just jump in right now because the spike can catch us, and because it has moved far, we may lose money. All right, so let me first of all, to enter a trade, check if it's an uptrend or a down. Check the trend of the market. Now the second one is go to the lower time frame, 1 minute time frame. That's where to take our trade, and you check for when this our stuff here is below. When this MMA, they are all below level 20, trying to curve up. That the second entry confirmation. You don't just enter when they are curving up. You wait for it to cross, and this thing turns to green. This Ichimoku turns to green. I can see here there is a cross here, but because this thing did not turn to green, it's crossed, but this thing was not green, we can't enter there. Now there is spike happened, and you see that from here it crossed above level 20, and the market also turns to green. So guys, our entry is sure. We enter the market right here and write it on. Okay, to be on the safe side, you can take 10 candles, you can take 5 candles, you can take 20 candles, depending on the trend of the market. Even if it's a downtrend, maybe it's a crash 500 and it's a downtrend, you don't want to stay long in the market because it will make you lose money. So you can actually stay for a downtrend market in crashing index. You can take 5 candles or 10 candles sometimes. But right now it's an uptrend. You know it's an uptrend. You can stay longer than that. Okay, now let's look for another entry position. Like I said, always wait for this market to come down here and wait for it to cross over and this turns to green. Even though sometimes it takes long. Like look at here, the market already come down to over so level here, crossed upward. Okay, now we don't want to risk from here. We want it to entertain. We want it to cross over the red, cross the red and turn to green. And look at what happened here. It crossed the red, and here is when it turns to green here. Okay, so we should enter the market right from where the green crossed here, somewhere here, and you can take candles. At least if you are taking your 10 candles, we are good to go. You see that we are taking your 10 candles from here. You are taking some candles that make sense. All right, so this is how effective. Let us check for other pairs, maybe 500 or something like that. This is a reverse case. This is a reverse case. Okay, when the market is an over, what is it called, when it's at over bot level and the market is turning to red, then you get ready to enter your market. All right, now here's example one. The market has actually come to the over bot level here, ranging around here, but we want it to come curve down and this thing turning to red, and we enter our trade. And what's happened, guys? The market actually came down and this crossed to red, and look at the movement, guys. This is a gold mine. All right, see another entry, guys. Here, another entry here. There is actually a cross over at this point, but because it is in the green region, we leave it, we ignore it. It is ranging up and down, ranging right here up and down. We ignore it, until as a total cross downward. Okay, even though there is something we should enter the market here and spike happened or not, maybe we entered when this thing happened. That's why you need to employ great risk management. All right, even no matter how sure the settings is, always know that it's not 100% accurate. I need to have a good risk management. And look at that, there is here, we should enter here because it is red, but a spike happened. Then what you need to do, you see as a level right here, a level right here that it respected. It came down there and then it moved down to the normal direction, all right, guys, that is how simple and effective it is. It happens always. It happens always, and you have to make money with this. All right, guys, I want to see your comments. I want to see you like the video, share the video, and to those that want indicator, chat me up immediately within 24 hours to access your indicator. All right, guys, this is HumbleFx signing out. I want to see you in the next video where we talk about something else, so great one. All right, guys, have a great day and see you in the next video. HumbleFx signing out.